Hi my loves, welcome back. I hope you all are taking good care of yourselves. For today's video, I have planned a very super quick and easy hair bun that can easily be made out of this hair donut. So this is not the donut that we eat, but it's just a simple way of making super quick and easy hair buns that you just wrap around your ponytail, which I'll show you how. If you don't have this hair donut, you can actually get the same look using a pair of socks. Yes, so you just need a pair of socks. Like एक single sock से भी आप इसको बना सकते हो, and then you can get the same easy bun on your hair. So I'll show you in two parts how you can actually get that. In the first part, I'll show you making this the hair bun using this donut, and in the second part of the video, I'll show you how you can use this sock to make the same kind of bun. So let's get started. So what we are going to do is to start off with the first step. We just have to make a simple ponytail, like a high ponytail. You can make it as high as you want, depends on your personal preference and your personal favorite style. I usually make it this high, which I'll show you, and from there I'll teach you how you can actually go ahead and make the same bun using very simple steps. The only thing that you want to make sure while making this ponytail that it's very tight and it's very secure. So just tighten it more and more. And then what you're going to do is taking this donut, just put it in your hands and wrap around, and then just say how you put regularly your normal like a rubber band is going to put it in your hair. So आपने बस इसको यहाँ लाके you just have to leave it like that. Now I am going to divide my hair in two sections and just wrap it, like throw it around the donut so that it's all covered with your hair, so you don't see any donut but just the hair all wrapped around this donut. Now starting from any one side, maybe from the center or from the side, anywhere you want, just start wrapping your hair around the donut. And now using the bobby pins, you just want to make sure that it's all secure. That's how the bun looks like. It's a little bit messy look because that's how I like it. I don't want to keep it like very sleek and sharp. If you want to do that, you can do it by all means just by using a hairspray. आप उसको spray करो using a little brush like a toothbrush, a neat and clean toothbrush. Just put all your hair like that. मैं इसका जो prayer preferred style है वो है थोड़ा सा messy हो, थोड़ा सा cool and casual look के लिए for summers, and then I'm just going to pull my hair a little bit from here. So now moving on to part 2, I'm back just with like a regular ponytail. I'm going to take this sock, and what I'm going to be doing using a pair of scissors is you just have to cut this part, not the part where it is already open from, but this part, you're just going to cut it. So now this sock has two openings, and now moving on to the next part, which is just to take this part and wrap it like that. So you know how I just wrapped it? That's what exactly I'm gonna be doing it. The only thing that you want to make sure that it's wrapped very neatly and very nicely, like a very sharp roll. Same thing again. Keep going. Just keep pulling it from here so that it gets tight from the part where you're rolling it. So this is the first step, that you want to make sure to get that super easy bun, that you need a donut. And if you don't have a donut, this is how you're going to do it. So the donut is ready. If you see this, it looks exactly what we had, this ready-made donut, which is right here. So now using this sock, what I'm going to be doing is following the same steps again. Put it around my ponytail. Secure my ponytail again. Divide my hair in two parts. उसको आपने spread कर देना है. on this sock bun and just start wrapping your hair from one side and keep tucking it in. How my bun looks so heavy. So it's the same procedure, same steps, just two different products using the same technique. I got the same look. तो घर के नुस्खे हमेशा काम आते हैं, याद रखना. अच्छा, in this part I just also want to show you कि hair spray से how I can fix my hair so that ये जितने भी मेरे ये छोटे babies हैं ना, इनको मैं fix कर दूँ. So I'm just going to spray. So you see how neat and clear and crisp this looks from the front. You can always pull it if you want. मैंने आपको दोनों ideas I have shown you already कि आप कैसे दोनों looks achieve कर सकते हो. It's a very simple and a quick trick. So always keep a sock ready. Just because if you wanna make your hair look very neat and tidy in these hot summer days, this is one of the go-to looks that you can always plan. अगर आपके you haven't washed your hair, so this is also another day that you can actually plan this kind of hairstyle. It goes really well with these hoops and even with like the tube tops or maybe with like high neck tops. Any clothes that you wanna wear, it looks super good. It looks fantastic. So yes, this is what is one of my favorite looks. So make sure to put a comment if you like the video and hit the like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you soon, guys. Bye bye, take care.